I mean, at first, I found out about trading in 2020, like during COVID, and I was like, people making money off their phone. Yeah, right. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
I was like, yeah, whatever. But then I did my research. I seen it was actually a real thing. So after that, I started, studying every day, putting hours into my craft and stuff like that. And afterwards, I found out there was a way for me to get a larger account just by passing the challenge, right? So I was like, you know what? That's a smarter idea than me just continue putting money in an account and then I'll be blowing it, right? Like in the beginning of my journey, I used to like put money in my account, $1,000 here, $1,000 here, and I'll blow it, right? But I was like, you know what? I could put $1,000 into like a 200K, 300K account, and then I could get way greater returns just by studying, right? So I just put the money in. I bought my challenges, FTMO. I started getting my payouts early this year. Like I got my first big payout early this year with FTMO, and after that, I got a few payouts with FTMO, and after that, I took that break again, and after that, I went to TFT. So that's why I'm here right
so
now.
with FTMO, you said you got a few payouts. What were you like? How much were the payouts?
So my first payout with FTMO was $15,000. My second payout was $13,000, and I think my last payout was $10,000.
That's fire.
Yeah.
And how are you feeling like getting these payouts from FTMO? FTMO is like in the middle of nowhere, right there in Czech Republic, right? It's like so random.
Exactly.
So how were you feeling after that?
When I actually seen the money hit my account, I went straight to the bank. Straight to the bank.
You're like, is this shit real?
Yeah, I had to go straight to the bank. I told the teller, give me $10,000.
Oh my God.
Took the $10,000, added the hundreds, and I did it just to feel it, just to understand, okay, I put the work in for this. Like I really did this. So I really did it to see, okay, this is actually real. So it really was like a motivating thing for me. But yeah, at first I didn't really, because I never had that much money in my hand at one time, you know what I'm saying? So at first it was just like a surprising moment, but then it motivated me.
That'll
to go
definitely
harder.
change you, having
exactly.
10K in hand after having nothing.
Exactly. The hundreds to a college student. Like
you're walking down the street like, I can't fucking hear you.
Exactly. Yeah, it was just a crazy feeling, man. But yeah, that just motivated me to just continue working hard and stuff like that.
Before that, like, how were you getting money before this?
I worked. I was working. I was working.
What job were you working?
It was like I worked in my college. It's more like I was recruiting kids to this program. Yeah, so I was working, helping them recruit kids to this program and stuff like that. It wasn't. It was part-time money.
Right.
So it wasn't nothing crazy, but it was still money in my pocket as a college student. So yeah, that was what I was doing before. But I was still learning trading around that time. So yeah.
What do you think about college, right? Is it worth attending at this point? What's your opinion on that?
I mean, I'm about to graduate, so I might as well.
Let's hear it.
I'm finishing it. I'm a computer science major. I'm about to finish it. But I see college. It depends on your career path, right? So like if you have a passion, you want to be a doctor or a nurse, obviously you need to go to college. But I always tell people,
you can't learn on YouTube.
Yeah, not for a doctor. Yeah, not as a doctor. Yeah, but I always tell somebody, if you have a passion, go for it. Like you don't need college is not the only way in life, for you to be successful. As you can see, everybody else around the world that's successful. It's not just college that they went through, you know what I'm saying? So I use college as a backup plan. Like at least I have this degree. At least like I have something to fall on, but that's not my main focus.
Right.
My main focus is investing, trading, and stuff like that. So I see college. I want to say college is a scam or anything like that, but I can say if you have other plans, use that as a backup plan. So you have.
So what do you have to say? I mean, you seem pretty intellectual, right? What do you have to say to the people that are like, a backup plan? You can't have a backup plan if you're gonna have your real plan work, right? Yeah. What do you say to these people?
Because you never know. Life can hit you. Life can hit you in the face. So you will always have something to fall back on, right? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's why my mom always told me, don't put all your eggs in one basket. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I just see like college as a backup plan, but it's not my main plan. I'm always still going 100% of my main plan, but it's just like a backup plan.
You're like, I'm going 100% on the main plan, 100% on the back plan.
Nah. I
got 200%.
Yeah. That's like 200% on the main plan, like 50% on the backup plan.
This is like my opinion of college is, a lot of people are like, you should drop out, right? You shouldn't go to college. Yeah. I think you should go to college. I think everyone should go to college. I think everyone should get educated. I don't care what the fuck you think. Yeah. I think it's 4 years that you can really develop yourself. Like you're going to mature more over those 4 years. You can do a lot of networking in college, right? Especially if you get into a good college. Exactly. That's a huge gateway for you, especially these people at the bottom, right? If you're in middle class, lower middle class, right? Below there, if you get into a really good college, like that can open up doors for crazy opportunities. Yeah, it can change your life. So people hating on college, like shut the fuck up.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.